One thing we must do if there's gates in the PVC fence is insert a steel post up the centre of the PVC post to give the post strength in holding the gates that we will screw on it later. So what I do is I take this is a 50 by 50 RHS post, insert it at the centre to the side so it doesn't interfere with the rails. Just take a small Tech screw, line that post up with the top of the PVC post, and as close as I can to the top of the post, just put a small Tech screw in there. That Tech screw will later be removed when the cap goes on the post. We're just putting this Tech screw in simply to hold the post in the process of concreting. Put one at the bottom, which will be secured in the concrete footing. All done. Now, when we go to hang the gates, we'll be screwing into a metal post. Right, so we're almost ready for the concrete. I'll just show you how we've marked our posts. This is a 6-foot privacy post. Now, in line with the bottom rail, we have a small pencil mark. That pencil mark, when the post goes into the hole, is going to line up with our string line, which we have placed to represent the bottom of the fence. So we're going to put concrete in these holes, we're going to level to this string line, and we're going to have these posts set at the height of that mark. I'll shovel it in. Just up to about that height. We can top them up with a bit more later if we need. Actually, I think this is how Russell Crowe started off. What's that? Do that on the next one actually. You'll notice here that I've cut a spacing stick which I'm using as I go along to make sure that I maintain the correct centres of my posts. So I've taken very great care in measuring and marking and cutting this spacing stick because it's vital in putting these posts in. So here we've got 3 posts standing already, more concrete still to come and a lot more posts to put in yet.